Hello guys, I'm gonna explain a few tricks about Reels. The main thing with Reels is to use cuts with creativity. Different from stories, in Reels you can use just 15 or 30 seconds, nothing else. So you have to use this with the most creative way possible. That's the way that gonna become viral or become even popular. Okay, so here I have 4 objects. I'm gonna use objects, but it can be landscapes, can be some parts of your accommodation or for college, doesn't really matter. The trick is the cuts. I'm gonna show right now. Okay, so I'm gonna snap my fingers and change the object. Look at this. So I'm just gonna do this. And then I can move to another landscape, change the object, doesn't really matter. And then I can snap my finger again at the same place and do this again and again. So let's say I move to O'Connell Street and then I do the same, try to snap my fingers in the same place on the video.
Okay, so let's start Reels tutorial. In the bottom you can see Reels in the middle. So in the corner right, just on the top, has the camera, so you can start your Reels. Here has on the left has different options. The length, so you can choose between 15 and 30. Here the second one is the music, so I can choose any music work exactly as stories. So let's choose where the speed. When you're recording you can choose the speed, so has these options. As stories you can use some effects, and here is the countdown, so let's set the timer. So once I set, it's 3 seconds. When I try to record, gonna start just after 3 seconds. It's when you're using a tripod or using your phone far away from you, it's a good tool. So let's edit the one that I was showing. So here it goes. You can choose the one in your camera. We are using this one. So in here we can cut. As I said, the cut is the main trick on Reels. So let's do the trick. So we're gonna start around here and then I snap my finger just over here. So snap. I'm gonna add another one and then choose the same in this case. So I changed and I snapped again. Let's say another landscape. So I snapped right here. So you can add another one.
lanjut lagi.
So this one I'm gonna change my clothes. Look at this. The video's gonna work like that. I'm gonna pretend that I'm removing my shirt like this. And just like that, I will remove my shirt. And then in the addition, I'm gonna show you how it's done.
Okay, so now let's edit the other one. So let's choose this one. So you see, the point was just over here. So I'm gonna cut exactly here. Add the other one. In this case is my same, but could be different ones. So I swap my shirt.
Guys, I hope you liked the tutorial. Seems a bit hard, but it's not. It's just try and try. Maybe the second or the third are gonna be perfect, a master.